Congratulations on purchasing an Atomberg Smart Lock. Life will never be the same again. In this video, I'll take you through the installation process. We highly recommend you get the Atomberg Smart Lock installed by our team or a highly skilled carpenter. Check the thickness of the door on which you intend to install the lock. The lock is suitable for doors with a thickness of 35 mm to 65 mm. Before you begin the installation process, ensure that the lock is fully functional. To confirm this, open the battery case, insert the batteries in the slot on the back panel. Now, connect the back panel cable with the front panel cable. The lock is functional if the numbers light up on the front panel and an audio prompt is heard. Remove the batteries and disconnect the cable before commencing the installation process. We strongly advise you to keep the shrink wrap intact until the end of the process to prevent dust from accumulating on the lock. To install the Atomberg Smart Lock, you will require standard tools: a drill machine, wood chisel, screwdriver, hammer, hacksaw and pliers. First, detach the traditional mortise lock that is currently occupying the door if it is present. Second, check the direction in which your door opens. The lock is equipped with reversible handles to suit both left and right-handed doors. Third, to switch the direction of the lock with respect to the door, please adhere to the following. To change the direction that the lock faces, you need to first change the direction of the back panel. The first step is to unscrew the handle of the back panel. The screws are present in the cavity directly opposite the handle. Next, rotate the handle to face the other way and fasten the screw again. Similarly, to change the direction of the handle of the front panel, remove the screw to the side of the spindle. Next, rotate the handle to face the other way. When the door is left-handed, you need to fasten it to the L cavity. To make the door face right, remove the screw from the L cavity, rotate the handle and reattach it to the R cavity. The final step is to reconfigure the direction of the latch for either the invert-outward configuration or outward-inward. To change the direction of the latch, press the protrusion next to the latch and rotate by 180 degrees. Position the drilling template on the door in accordance with the desired lock placement. Proceed to create holes and grooves in line with the template. While doing so, attempt to arrive at the best fit for the mortise by checking a few times. After an adequate amount of space has been created, insert the mortise and fasten the screws tight. Place the key cylinder into the corresponding position of the mortise and fasten the screw. Ensure that the keyhole faces the outside of your home. Attach both mounting screws in their respective slots. Attach the spindle to the appropriate slot on the front of the device by pressing the button provided. The front panel is now ready to be affixed to the door. Attach the front panel to the door by running the connection cable through the rectangular cavity. And then connect the front panel cable with the back panel cable. Once the two cables are attached, fasten the back panel onto the door by placing it through the appropriate holes drilled. The spindle should align perfectly between both panels. Fasten the screws tightly to hold the lock in place. To confirm that the lock has been placed properly, use the mechanical key. If you have achieved alignment, the dead bolts should engage naturally. Install the batteries and the battery cover Congratulations once again. Your Atomberg Smart Lock is now ready to be set up. To find out how to unlock the door, please refer to our usage video.